Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will leave on the screen, and I will also link them in the description below. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can change your stream name on Twitch. It's pretty easy to do. Just follow what I'm about to show you. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to Twitch. So let's go do that right now. Go to Twitch and click your profile picture over here on top right. Click Creator Dashboard. And you can do this while you're live. So if you're live, your stream is going to be shown here, but I'm currently offline. But if you are live, it will be shown here. And from here you can just click Edit Stream Info, and here you can just edit the title and the name of the game that you're playing or whatever category you want. So yeah, you could change it to Valo Stream, and you know, I was playing Valorant, so that's why I have this here, and that's it. That's all you have to do to change the title and the category, and you can just click Done. And like I said, you can do this while you're live, so you have nothing to worry about. If you already named it and you want to change the name while you're live, you have nothing to worry about. You can just do this. Alright guys, so like I said, it's that easy, it's that simple, and it's that quick. That's all you have to do to change your stream name on Twitch. You can do this while you're live, so yeah, it's super simple, and this is probably like the quickest tutorial that I've ever made. So yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. You can also follow me on my socials, which is going to be on the screen. I will also link them in the description below. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.